Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of sparkling water with what I consider the best sparkling water maker. With glass bottles available in the market, the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker Bundle. This sleek and modern machine is designed to transform plain water into fresh sparkling water in seconds, all at the push of a button. It comes with everything you need to get started, including two Quick Connect 60L Colorado 2 cylinders, 3 1-liter dishwasher-safe BPA-free reusable carbonating bottles, and 2 40 ml bubbly drops flavors. Setting up the SodaStream Terra is a breeze, thanks to its easy-to-use snap-lock bottle insertion for quick carbonation. Plus, with its improved design featuring an elegant matte finish and updated slim silhouette, it's not only functional but also adds a touch of style to any kitchen. But what sets the SodaStream Terra apart from other sparkling water makers is its use of glass bottles. Not only are they dishwasher safe and reusable, but they also help to reduce single-use plastic bottles, making it a more environmentally friendly choice. Customers rave about the ease of use and convenience of the SodaStream Terra. Whether you're making sparkling water for yourself or adding some fun flavors for a special occasion, this machine delivers consistently great results. In summary, if you're looking for the best sparkling water maker with glass bottles, look no further than the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker Bundle. With its easy operation, energy efficiency, and commitment to sustainability, it's a must-have for any kitchen. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.